Welcome to Data Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about exist or not exist function. Here I am using free trial Snowflake account and this is my Snowside Wave UI. Even request viewer, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and like this video. It is really helpful to grow the channel. Thank you. So let's get started with exist or not exist function. In a Snowflake, exist or not exist function are used to check for existence or non-existence for row in a subquery. So for demonstration purpose, let's create table. Here I am creating employee table with employee ID, employee name, department ID. Let's insert sample data into employee table. 6 record inserted into employee table. You can check, select a star from employee. 6 record inserted. In same way, I am creating department table for demonstration with department ID, department name. Inserting sample data into department table, 4 record inserted. So now let's suppose you have two table which I create, employee table and department table. You want to retrieve all the department that have at least one employee assigned to them. So here I am using select a star from department table. Star means selecting all column and which satisfy this condition, retrieve row where exist, and here I am using inner query. Select one from employee table where e dot department id equal to d dot department id. For using exist function, alias name is important. So when this condition is true, then this query, outer query, retrieve row. So if I execute this statement, you can see here these row satisfy this condition. You can use, instead of exist, we can use in function, but in condition is not good for if this in query retrieve large amount of data. So if I execute this statement, this gives same results. Okay, in same way we can use non exist function. This display all the department that have no employee. So if I execute this statement, it's retrieve no result because all department table have employee. In same way, instead of not exist function, we can use not in function. Okay, so that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. I put this query in description box. You can copy from there and practice. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.